Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 15. Today, we will explore subqueries, queries inside other queries. Subqueries can be used in where clauses to filter results or in from clauses to create temporary tables. A subquery is simply a query inside another query. It can return a single value, a list of values, or even a data set. Subqueries are commonly used in where, from, or select clauses. Here is a subquery in where. We select employees whose salary is greater than the average salary. The subquery calculates the average and the outer query compares each employee's salary to it. Subqueries can also return list. This query finds students whose IDs appear in the enrollments table. The subquery returns all enrolled student IDs and the outer query matches them. Subqueries in from act like temporary tables. Here, we create a data set of departments and salaries, then group by department to calculate average salary. Subqueries help break complex problems into smaller steps, avoid multiple joins, create temporary data sets, and improve readability. Let us practice. Try writing queries to find employees earning above average salary, students enrolled in at least one course, and average salary per department using a subquery in from. In a sales database, a subquery in where can find customers with orders above average value. A subquery in from can create a temporary table of monthly sales totals for reporting. Here are some mini challenges. Try finding employees with salary greater than their department's average, listing students not enrolled in any course, and showing regions with revenue above the overall average. Your assignment: create employees, students, and sales tables. Write queries to find employees earning above average salary, show students enrolled in courses, and show regions with revenue above average. To summarize, subqueries are queries inside queries. They can be used in where to filter with values or list, and in from to create temporary data sets. Tomorrow, we will learn common table expressions or CTEs, which make complex queries even easier.